Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I hope and trust in the Lord you all are safe and sound and trying to stay busy and safe in this pandemic 2020. I'm here with another DIY project which is very quicker as I'm receiving so many mask making requests. This DIY project is for those people who cannot sew, and it's very easy. You can use any fabric, piece of cotton, whatever you have in your hand. I'm using here bandana. Then I have two hair bands, elastic one. You can use whatever you have in your hand. And then I have two filters, and if you see my previous video, these filters are from the vacuum cleaning bag. They have multiple layers. You can use as many as you feel comfortable, but make sure your fabric should be breathable, so that helps you to easy to breathe. So simply just gonna fold our filter layers, put them in the center, and like this. That's it. And you see that that's our center of our filter. That's how easy it is. And now we're gonna try this on our face. Thank you so much for watching our today DIY project. As you can see, it's turned out nicely and it's very comfy. You can just prepare this in a couple minutes. If you really got inspired by this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and be safe. Our lots of love and prayers for everybody. God bless you all. Bye bye.